Hello and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Office applications in general.
How to create a new tab on your ribbon in Microsoft Office applications. The ribbon is a user interface element that we find in Microsoft Office application. The ribbon is contained by tabs. These tabs vary from one application to another. For example, Microsoft Word does not have the same tabs with Microsoft Excel. Each tab has specific groups of associated commands. We can easily create our own tab in any Microsoft Office application with the commands that we need the most and use often. By creating our own unique tab, we can gain quick access to the most used commands that we use to complete a task. No matter which application we have open, either Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Outlook, the procedure is the same. For this tutorial, I have opened Microsoft Word and I have selected the File tab to move to Backstage View. Once in Backstage View, I select the options Command from the drop-down menu, which is located at the bottom. Once selected, the Word Options dialog box appears. From this dialog box on the left, we select the category Customize Ribbon. In this category, we are notified that we can customize the ribbon and keyboard shortcuts. From the left area, which is named Choose Commands From, we can use this list to choose tabs, groups, and commands to add to the ribbon. Use the drop-down list to narrow the set of commands to choose from. On the right side and at the bottom of the main tabs area is located the command New Tab. Once the New Tab command is selected, a new tab is created with a new group located below it. We select either the New Tab or the New Group and then select the Rename command. The Rename window appears where we type in the name that we want for the tab to be named and press the OK button. We can also select the new group that was created and select the Rename command. Once selected, we can select one of the icons to be displayed at the group, plus we can also give the name that we want for the group. All that is left is to add commands on the new tab. From the left area pane, named Choose Commands From, we select one by one the commands that we want and select the Add command. The commands will be added under the group area of the new group that I created. All the commands needed have been successfully added to the new tab named Philippos. The name for the group is philippospan. Once finished, we press the OK button so the tab can be created. As we can see, the new tab has been created and is ready for use. We can also notice the commands group area with the commands that are added. As I mentioned, the same procedure we follow with the other Microsoft Office applications. Same procedure, different commands.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw in this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, head down to the comment section and let me know. Be wise and subscribe.